Hello, this is a quick overview of how to use Weever to manage your field level hazard and risk assessments. There are two parts here, providing information as well as doing the actual hazard assessment. For each section, the operator can request to review additional information and instructions on how to complete the section. For the information, they can provide their line and work area, shift, and describe the tasks that are being performed, and then they can check off any hazards to consider. So this just provides them with some thoughts of things that they might want to consider when they're reviewing the task that's ahead of them, whether it be lighting or weather or ergonomic issues or chemicals and so forth. They can also check off that they've inspected their personal protective equipment. Then when actually doing the hazard assessment, they can again review additional information about risk and severity. They can identify the hazard and the controls that they're planning on using, and then provide a severity and likelihood rating. So for these considerations, they can say the severity is minor, it's a medium, like medical treatment may be required, or it could cause lost time, fatality, or catastrophic damage. And the likelihood of it is highly likely, unlikely, and so forth. So as they fill out these considerations, the risk assessment is completed, it's automatically calculated, and then the outcome assessment is provided using conditional logic. So in this case, the considerations were 3 and 3, which provides an outcome of high risk, do not proceed without written authorization, in which case the user is also allowed to provide additional information in the form of photos, e-signatures, video capture, whatever they would like. Once submitted, supervisors can review any field level hazard assessments and all of the appropriate information, including the photos and videos captured. They can see the risk rating and the metadata associated with the submission, and then they can edit the ticket status as well as the form, and they can go in and make additional changes or comments. They can sign off on the hazard assessment as well in real time. A hazard assessment report is also available that provides KPIs on program performance and participation. This is entirely customizable by you.